What's the crack, everyone? We're back for another episode of the sweaty bartender. The rusty bartender. Summertime still. It's hot as Today's episode is one I've really been looking forward to. Today's episode is the paper plane.
Ever wondered what it would be like to make every single recipe from a cocktail book? This season, we're making every single cocktail from Steve the Bartender's Cocktail Guide.
This one was invented by Australian bartender Sam Ross and is pretty much regarded as being a modern day classic cocktail. If anybody actually knows why this is called the paper plane, can you let me know in the comments? Anyway, in a shaker, we're going to measure out 3/4 of an ounce fresh lemon juice, three-quarters of an ounce of Aperol. The original recipe used Campari, but then it was quickly changed to Aperol. Three-quarters of an ounce of Amaro Nonino. That's how you pronounce it, right? 3/4 of an ounce of our bourbon. We're going to add ice to our shaker. We're going to shake for about 10 seconds. Grab a pre-chilled glass. And we're going to fine strain this one, or double strain, whatever you would like to call it, because you don't want any ice shards in the drink. That is looking superb. This is a drink you can really get around. Wait, I forgot something. You gotta make yourself a little paper plane for the garnish. Got me paper airplane to sit. Really is delicious. For some reason, your taste buds get fooled into thinking this might be sweet. It comes maybe from a little bit of sweetness you get from the Aperol. But because Aperol's quite bitter as well, really blends well with the Amaro Nonino. Get really, I don't know, pithy kind of flavors. Just blends really nicely with the bourbon. It's a good drink. This is one of the kind of drinks you could have 3 or 4 of and not get bored of. Really good little sipper. Cheers. Here's the next one.